Hello Codemasters, welcome back to our channel. Today we have another fascinating problem in our hand involving N-ary trees. So to get started, let's find out the problem statement in LeetCode. Here is the question description. Given the root of an N-ary tree, we should return the preorder traversal of its nodes values. So if we look at this example, for this tree, we should return the preorder traversal, right? And based on the definition of preorder traversal, we need to visit the node itself. Then we should start with the leftmost children, right? So if we have, a tree like this, we expect to, visit the node itself, the root node itself at the beginning. Then we should get started with the leftmost children, right? Which is 3. And we should return this pattern for the subtree, right? So at the end, we are going to have 1, 3, 5, 6, 2, and 4. So to solve this problem, let's get back to the Visual Studio Code and try to implement the solution. At the beginning, we need to have the function signature here. And for this purpose, let me come back to the LeetCode, copy the function signature, and paste it here. And since we are using the node definition, let's uncomment this part. Make this line comment again and clean our code. Okay. Now let's try to solve this problem. Since we want to have the preorder traversal, we need to store the traversal inside an integer array, right? So let's say result is going to be an empty integer array. And since we have an optional root here, let's unwrap this optional. If let node equal to root, and I want to append the value of this node to the result. Let's say result.append and then node.val. And after appending the root value to the result, we need to traverse the children, right? So let's say for child in node.children, we want to traverse this child. So let's say preorder for this child. And since we receive an integer array from the preorder function, we should store the result somewhere. So let's say traverse equal to preorder for this child. And after having this traversal, let's add it to the result. Result.append contents of traverse. And at the end, we need to return the result, right? So let's say return result. And to make sure our solution is working correctly, let's try to submit this solution to the LeetCode. Copy it, come back to the browser, paste it here, make it cleaner, and then hit the submit button. There we go, we have the solution. Thank you everyone.